Here's how you can easily join a Discord server. First up, click on this plus icon right over here, and then click on the join a server option. And you can easily join a server by simply inserting the invite link and then click on the join with invite link option. Or alternatively, if you don't have an invite link, you can easily go over to your Chrome browser and then search for Discord servers. Click on this website right over here, and you can then easily select or easily search for communities. So for example, if you want Minecraft servers, you can just simply search Minecraft and it's going to show you a ton of Minecraft servers. But in this case, I'm just going to easily select the Midjourney server. Once you've found your server, click on the join server option. It's then going to take you back to the Discord app, so easily select or click on the accept invite option. And that's how you can easily join servers on Discord. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.